Okay guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this channel we'll give you information on how to better your life through online skills and all that stuff. So in our last video, what we did was we showed you how to start your app development journey with your smartphone on an app which is called Sketchware. I told you could go on Google and search for Sketchware, and then you'll find links to download it from the app stores that are available to you. So what we're going to be doing in this video, also in our last video, we started the development of an app which we call the demo app. As you can see, it is the first on the list here. So I want to show you how to add an icon to this app, and in this video we will launch the app and see how it shows in our app drawer. Also, we'll be creating a loading page, which is the initial page which you view most times when you open an app. For instance, the Facebook app, you open Facebook app and then you see this initial page of loading. So we're going to be creating that in this video today. So first of all, to add an icon to your app, you click on this icon sign here. You click on tap to change icon. When you click on it, you choose from gallery. I already made an icon using the Pixel Lab app. Is available on the Google Play Store or any other app store. It's called Pixel Lab. That's what I just used to create this icon. It's not the best of icons, but it's just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to click on save, and then our icon has been set. I'm going to also click on the demo app to open it. Now in our last video, this is where we stopped. I added a linear horizontal view by dragging and dropping it here, and then I added a text view by dragging and dropping it here too. So I want to reduce the size of this text view, so I click on it. We'll make sure it's highlighted. Once it's highlighted, I go over to text size, I click on it, and then I reduce it to 25 sp. It has been reduced. What I want to do is I want to bring this demo app down to the middle here to serve as that middle loading type of symbol. So I'll click on it, and then I'll go to gravity. Remember, what I clicked on is the horizontal layout. That's what I clicked on. I click on gravity, set center horizontal and center vertical. It's going to come to the middle here. Now it's at the middle here. I'm going to, to make it obvious that yes, this is a loading page. There are other loading animations that I could have added to. Like there's a loading animation, but that is more complex. I can do it, but it will make this video really complex and long. So we might dedicate a different video for that on this channel. So you need to subscribe and turn on the page notification in order to be able to view that video in the future. So for now, what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be creating a new page. To create a new page, by creating a new page, I'm going to show you that this particular page now is the demo page, because once this page stays for some time and whatever implementation you have done on your app is complete, you can now move over to like a login page. So we're going to create a login page, but we're not going to create the login page fully. I'm just going to show you that this is a login page by adding a text view there. So let's go on. So you click on this top icon, these three dots up here. You click on view. When you click on view, you're going to see something like this. This is the main.xml, which is the page we are now. That's the page that we are now. So, and on this page, I want to make it only status bar. I don't want the tools bar. As you can see, if you watch here, you can go back on this tools bar. I don't need it. I just need only the status bar. So that's what I'll do. I'll save it. Then I'll click on this plus icon here to add a new page. This page, I'll name it login page. It's good to name your pages properly, so that when you're developing, you know how to link one page to another. So I'll just name it login, and I'll also remove this tools bar from it. I'll leave it as portrait. I don't want it to be landscape here. I'll leave it as portrait, and I'll leave it the way it is, and I'll click on add. Now we have completed the creation of a new page. Our login page is here now. You understand? So this login page now, if you were to code this app, you know how many lines of code you will write for it to create a new page or something, or a functional page. So what I will do is that we are still on our main page. If you want to know the page you are on, you will see it down here. We are still on our main page. This is our login page. It is empty. I'll click on this icon here and go back to our main page. Now, this is our main page. I want to change the text color to something else. So if you want to change the text color, what you do is you click on it, make sure the text is selected. You scroll down here, you see text color, click on it. Click on text color and select the color you want. I want a blue, this type of blue text color, okay, to give that type of Facebook vibe. What next I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a new component. I'll swipe up here. Here is view, here is event, here is component. I'll add a new component. The component I'm going to add now is timer component. I'll name it T. Now, what does this component do? This component, its function is to time an event. So I'll click on events now. I'm in events. I'll click on create. On create means once the page is being loaded, I'll click on this jigsaw puzzle type of icon here, and I'll search for components. Yes, components. If you click on components, I've already added the timer component, so it will show here. So I'll add this. I'm bringing it here because I want to call it once the page is loaded. So I'll click on it. I'll add the timer component I created just now, T. I'll click on select. Then it asks me after how many seconds should this event be executed. I want it to happen after if I put 6,000 milliseconds, it means that it's going to happen after 6 seconds. So I'm just going to leave it at 6,000. Milliseconds. That after 6,000 milliseconds, what should happen? That's it. After 6,000 milliseconds, what should happen? That's this space here. And if you can remember in our early video, I said that this we code by adding blocks. So I'll need to go back and add another component. This new component I'm going to add is intent component. Intent component. Intent component makes you to perform a particular intent, a particular intention. So I'll go back to events and click on create. So here now, I'll click on components again. Here are the blocks for the intent component I created now. So after 6,000 milliseconds, what should happen? I want it to set a particular screen. I'll click on intent. I want it to go to our login activity. And click on select. So after 6,000 milliseconds, go to our login activity, our login page. And then I'll click start activity immediately. So this is all I need. So in order to identify that yes, it has shifted to our login page, I'll go to our login page and I'll add a text view that says login page to make you sure that yes, this is our login page. I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to put login page there for you to see. So this is our login page. I'm going to make it a bit bold. I'm going to embolden it. Okay, so this is our login page. So the flow now is once we run this app now by clicking here, it's going to download, and then we'll click on it. After 6 seconds, it's going to move to our login page. So from the login page now, you can put sign up, you can put other options there in the login page. I'm going to click on run now, and it's going to run quickly because the app is not that bulky. So once it's finished running, which see it has run, it has finished building immediately. So I'll click on install. Once our app is installed, we'll test run what we have done. I'm just going to click on install anyway. As you can see, it has opened. Okay, it's scanning. As you can see, the app name is there, demo app, and this is the app icon which we used. So if I click on open now, our app is going to open. As you can see, this is our demo app, and 6 seconds have started counting. This is our initial page, and this is our login page. So after 6 seconds, it brought us our login page. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. In our subsequent videos, we'll be doing other things too. We'll be doing other things. As you can see, this is our demo app here. Demo app. If I click on it, it brings me to the login page. But if I minimize and swipe it out and I click on demo app again, it's going to bring me to the home page, which is the loading page. After 6 seconds, it's going to take me over to the login page. So as you can see, it's working, and you can use this method to build a real functional app